Hello everyone! So in today's video, me and two of my friends will explain about one of the innovation that we've been chose as a final assessment for technology literacy subject. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves first. I'm Dealsy with the number ID of 1020-123-40-128.
My name is Valerin with student ID 102-012340-277.
My name is Muhammad Fahmi. I'm from class TI-47-INT.
So, artificial intelligence, or also known as AI, is one of the examples of emerging technologies. Artificial intelligence is prevalent across many industries. AI is the theory and development of computer systems capable of automating tasks that don't require human interventions, save money and time, can reduce the risk of human error and making decisions. Nowadays, artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily life, with various applications that make our lives more convenient and efficient. Some examples of AI in everyday life include virtual assistants, smart home devices, and so on. And one of the key advantages of AI is ability to save both time and money in numerous business purposes. So, in this video, we'll talk about one of innovations to implementing our knowledge about artificial intelligence, especially for saving time, which is the face detection-based student attendance tool.
So this idea actually comes by noticing that some lecturers still take attendance of the students manually, which is also based on our experience. This is gonna be very difficult for the lecturer if they're doing it in the big classes. And maybe some lecturers will ask the student attendance by display the barcode via of the projector screen, and then the students will scan the barcode, or by sending the link to the students, and then the students will fill it as their proof of their attendance. But we think that all of those methods are still less effective and will certainly still take time, especially when it's done during the learning hours, which can indirectly cut down the learning time, right? So we made this innovation that's still related to the concept of technological development in emerging technology, namely AI. And the name of the AI is Face Detection-based Student Attendance Tool.
So this device will be used at the beginning of the class and at the end of it. The reason there are two usage times is to prevent cheating. So if a student goes in and is marked present, and then the student goes outside of the class, they will have to still be marked absent because they were not checked for the second time. So the components that we need to make this is, one is a camera. This is to take an image, and from that image we will get the biometric data of the person, and then we need a computer to compare that biometric data to a database, and if there's a match, then that means that the person facing the camera is a student, so the attendance will be marked. And then we also need data storage. For the computer, we will have to develop an application. We can use Python, JavaScript, or any other general purpose language, as long as we can have a library that can basically compare biometric data. So for the device, there will be two modes, active and inactive. Inactive is when the camera is not on. This is to preserve electricity because we don't want to waste electricity. So when the camera is off, the screen on the device should probably show the attendance list. so that the student who comes into the class will see the list and know that they are in the right class. And it is hoped that this device will basically improve the attendance taking process.
And of course, it can automatically save the times and make it easier for the lecturer to take presents for the students without doing it manually. So that's all our explanation of our innovation about face detection based student attendance tool. More or less, we're very sorry and thank you for your attention.